Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving if the Spotlight feature in Windows 10 is not working properly. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just go ahead and left click on the Start button one time. Type in File Explorer. Best man should come back with File Explorer right above App. So go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to select the View tab, and then you want to check mark inside the box here where it says Hidden Items. So go ahead and just check mark inside of that. Now that you've done that, go ahead and select this PC on the left side. Double click on the drive that Windows is installed on. There should be a little Windows icon above the hard drive indicating where that location will likely be. So go ahead and double click on that. Now you want to double click on the Users folder. Double click on whatever your user account name is. So I'm obviously MD Tech here, so I'm going to double click on that. Should be pretty obvious to you guys. So now that you've done that, go ahead and double click on the app data folder. Same thing for local. And now there should be a packages folder. Double click on that. If you need to pause the video just to take note of how we have gotten to this location, you can see on the top of the screen here it shows each one of these little arrows is one of the folders we have to go into to get to the next one. So should be pretty straightforward. Now you want to go ahead and look for the Microsoft.Windows.Content Delivery Manager folder, and there's some random letters to follow that, so we're going to go ahead and locate that here. So it should automatically be sorted alphabetically. So we're going to go look for Microsoft.Windows. So scroll down a little bit. So Microsoft.Windows, and then Content Delivery Manager followed by an underscore and then some random letters after that. Go ahead, double click on that. Now that you are in here, you want to go double click on the settings folder, so double click on that. Now there should be two items in here, so if you want to highlight over both of them and then select the delete key on your keyboard, or right click and delete, whatever you prefer, it's fine with me. And now that you've done that, you should be able to close out of here and relaunch the Spotlight features on your Windows computer. So we close out of here, we open up the Start menu, type in lock screen. You can get through this as well through the settings menu as well. So if you want to navigate through settings a little, if you want to go through the settings menu and then go underneath the personalization tile, you're welcome to. But now you should have the option for Windows Spotlight and everything should be back to the way it should be. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.